So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we are gonna learn about how to create this galaxy glow effect. So let's start the video. So first of all, I already imported my clip on the timeline which is look like this, and I also imported a overlay which is look like this as you see. Then I am gonna duplicate the upper layer by pressing Ctrl D, and for the time being I make the other layers to be invisible by doing this. Then press double click on the top layer to open its window layer and select rotoscope from here to extract your character. But before this, please make sure that your preview resolution would be full, otherwise it's gonna give you a warning signal. Then after extraction of the clip I will meet you. So here as you see, I extracted the character from the clip which is look like this. Now I am gonna make visible the other layers, and for the main layer I decrease its opacity by 20, and for the top layer I am making it double by pressing Ctrl D, and for the bottom layer of it I am gonna decrease its opacity by 50%. Now I am gonna apply all the effects on the top layer. First of all, I apply find edges like this, and for its channel face I am gonna invert it by checking that checkbox and add a glow. So for this I use the glow, apply it like this, and for its radius I am gonna make it 100 and its exposure to be 0.8. Make sure to check that checkbox which is required for the text. It will change its blending mode to the screen, and duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D. So here now I increase its radius to be 800, and for its exposure I make it 0.40. Now we are gonna play the video and see the result. It looks pretty good. But if you wanna change its color, we are gonna add an effect on it which is tint like this, and change the color whichever you want. But I'm gonna select this color. Now it look like this. But if you don't satisfied with this effect, we are gonna change it with the Sapphire plugin. Let me delete all of them. Go to your effects and preset and search as edges, and simply apply it on the top layer, and to decrease its linings, maybe edges, you have to increase its threshold. I'm gonna increasing it like this, and it is 0.98 or 860 something. I am also gonna apply deep glow on it like this. Then we have to check that checkbox to make its blending mode to be screen. So let me check it, and let's play the video and to see the result. Now this effect is look like this, and that's all for the today guys. Thank you for watching this video, and please try to give your feedback in the comment section. It will help me to improve the content as per your feedback and suggestions. And bye bye.
It's so